if you install a new equipment, you want it to be well done first time. You don't want it to be a place where you have to go back. Same thing when you go and repair an actual system that was there before. You want them to succeed in repairing it the first time they go. So basically with Salesforce, we are able to not only see what went wrong in order to correct it, so it won't happen again, but we are also able to see what are the main problems on the jobs with field service, and then be prepared to put the right things in their trucks so they won't have to go back and forth between the clients and the business. The technicians use field service every day. They use it on iPads so they can consult the sale that was made. They even have pictures of the home they're going to and all the list of equipment they need to deliver the project.